I think that's a fucking great spot I got there. I think that's a beautiful spot. What do you think of that? Don't you think that's a beautiful spot? That's a cool spot. Let's go over this way. Let's go and have a look here. Good spot we got there. I like that spot. Yeah, sit down. Look at barbecues here too. Look at that. It's really fucking nice here. What the fuck are they cooking vegetables for? What the fuck are they doing? Where's that?
Oh, like on a light pole.
Oh,
one of these
he?
light poles. Yeah,
Leo was with us.
Leo was with us. Back in the day. And he split his chin open and he had to go to the hospital.
Jesus Christ.
He tried to climb up on it.
Shit.
And he slipped and hit his chin.
Fuck.
Cracked his chin open. Look at that, there's an ibis on the table over there.
Fuck.
See, look, it's just, do you see the ibis on the table?
Yeah.
Look, it's just helping itself.
Yeah, I see that. Let's sit down and make a picnic here, huh?
Look, he's just helping himself.
Fuck.
That ibis is full on. He just does not care. There's a lot of people that look like friends here.
Yes, it's so cool, isn't it?
That's what normal people do. That's a huge thing.
It's cool. Well, you want to sit down? Let's set the blanket up here. Under this tree over here.
Yeah.
Where you want to sit? Over here? Other side of this.
Look, just after the bench.
What do you think? Over here?
Just after the bench.
Oh, just over here. What do you think here?
Right
just
there.
make it.
I reckon this one.
Here?
This one.
Okay. You can set it up. Good idea. Here's good. That's cool. That's good. Let's do that. Okay. Yeah, that's the one. Take it out of there.
Is this the first one?